Hey, what's up, Steeler holder? I am sorry for late video, but this is very urgent news for Steeler holder, my friend. This time you can see here the XLM is very badly fails down, my friend. In the last 24 hours, this is very bad news for Steeler holder. But this time you can see here, my friend, in the last 7 days, my friend, in the last 24 hours, plus 9.87% they're going up. So this is exactly very mind-blowing crashful change occur, my friend. So let's get started, my friend. The Steeler XLM price prediction to upcoming days, they moving up or they fail us down. So let's get started, my friend. Okay, my friends, first of all, before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. This channel provide you very latest news of all cryptocurrencies, so you just click the red button, subscribe our YouTube channel. My friend, this time you can see here, first of all, I draw a two line, my friend. The first line touch the highest point and the second line touch the lowest price change occur, my friend. So if you check out this time, minus 7.62% they fail us down. It's mean this is very bad, my friend. After a very small jump, my friend, this time you can see here they're moving like this exactly, my friend. But every cryptocurrencies are moving like this, my friend. But this time you can see here they cannot touch the highest point, so it is very better, my friend. Please try to understand, my friend. This time, if you can see here, in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. So it's good news for all of you, my friend, because they're starting moving up like a rocket. You can see here on the chart result exactly, my friend. If you understand this something, then absolutely you know they're going up like a rocket in upcoming days. So please hold it, my friends. Don't sell it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.